Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share your 2024 Spotify Wrapped to your Instagram story. So select the Wrapped section over here, and you're just going to select the Let's Go here, or you can select others, but I'm just going to select this one. You can also maybe select, you know what, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and select the Let's Go one here, and you're just going to click until it's the last page, like this one, and you're just going to select the one that you want to share. I'm just going to share, let's say this one. I like this one the best. It's just on the first page. Select share, and you're just going to either put it on your Instagram stories, WhatsApp, TikTok, or you can even just download it to your camera roll here. Press OK, and it's going to be saved into your camera roll instead of just posting it on the story instantly. So here's my Spotify rep. Here are my top artists, and here are my top songs, and here's also the minutes listened on Spotify. It's not that much. It's because I don't go on car rides a lot, and that's where I like to listen to songs is on in cars or something. I don't know. But yeah, share your Spotify Wrapped on the comment section down below and let me know your top artists and your top songs. And you can also let me know the rest that you got on Spotify Wrapped this year. That is it for this video. There are others that you can search up. There's also even 2024 in podcasts. I did not listen to a lot of podcasts, so that's why I don't think there's any. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.